Okay, sir.
You need to guide me some of these that are highlighted. As I mentioned, they're cut off on my copy.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to everybody.
Good morning,
Uh,
sir. Judge.
This is our docket for April the 12th, 2021.
Yes, sir.
Case number 556917, State of Texas versus Thomas Salome.
Yes, sir.
Judge, I'm present for him. He should be on. I spoke to him this morning.
I'm on, sir.
We had previously conferred over the last year, and we're just going to have to go to trial, Judge.
All right. It'll be set for trial then.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Salome,
Yes, sir.
good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
This matter will be reset for a trial. You'll
Yes,
get
sir.
notice. You'll get notice from our coordinator.
Yes,
So
sir.
You're both excused. Thank you.
Thank you,
Yes,
Judge.
sir.
Have a great day.
You too. Case number 560941. That's Spratt, Carolyn Wentland. I think that's scheduled for this afternoon or what time?
Yes, sir. At 1:30.
1:30. Okay. The only thing I could see on this one on page is 30. Pardon me?
It says 1:30 motion to suppress.
Gotcha. Case number 565712, State of Texas versus Jennifer Marie Garcia. Renee Munoz is attorney of record.
Yes, I'm here, Judge.
Yes, Judge, with counsel as well. If we could just confer, that'd be appreciated, Your Honor.
You'll be number one on conferring.
Thank you, Judge.
Case 597854, State of Texas versus Melissa Franz Escobedo.
Yes, sir, I'm present.
Hector Gonzalez III.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm present for Mr. Gonzalez.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And Ms. Escobedo.
Yes, sir, I'm present.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
We're gonna keep.
Stay on the jury docket.
Yes, Your Honor. Please keep us on the jury docket.
All right. Then you're both excused. Thank you for appearing.
Thank you.
Thank
Good
you,
morning.
Your
Have a
Honor.
good day.
Good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Case number 609846, State of Texas versus Joe Anthony Revias. Isidro Montoya is attorney of record. Joe Revias, I'm marking him not present, not answering, and Mr. Isidro Montoya Jr., attorney, is not answering either. So noted. Case number 626509, State of Texas versus Jose Menchaca. Ivan Barrera is attorney of record. This is
Counsel,
a plea.
Your Honor, that's a plea. He's got two clients, Ayanaka Johnson Gilmore and Jose Menchaca at 10:30 and 11 o'clock. Please.
All righty. I presume that Menchaca is at 10:30?
Yes, sir. No, no, he's at 11.
He's at 11. And then Johnson Gilmore would be at 10:30?
Yes, sir.
All right, is Mr. Menchaca here? Jose Menchaca is not due till 11. We'll see if he answers at that time. Mr. Johnson Gilmore, are you present at this time? All right, we'll see if they appear. Mr. Barrera is answering. Jordan Johnson, case number 635824.
Morning, Your Honor. It's Matthew Brown from Ms. Johnson. She's
Good
also
morning,
present
Mr.
on the
Brown.
call.
Hi,
Your-
yes, sir.
Good
Your Honor, if I
morning.
could get in line to confer with the state, please.
You'll be number 2 for conference.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Case number 642991, State versus Xavier Andrew Curtis. And
I'm here, Your Honor.
Natasha Torres is attorney of record. I'm noting that Mr. Xavier Curtis has answered on time. Natasha Torres is attorney of record, and I hear no response. Stick around, Mr. Curtis. We'll see what's going on.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Case number 649-227. Quaylen Desrael Jones, and it is Elizabeth Russell as attorney of record.
I'm here.
Good morning, Mr. Jones.
Good morning.
Appreciate you being here on time. Elizabeth Russell, I'm noting, is not answering at this time. Just stick around, sir. We'll see what's going on.
Yes, sir.
Case number 649-324. Montrena, State versus Montrena, Monique Fuentes. Attorney is Ivan Barrera. He's answered earlier. Is Ms. Fuentes? Is
Yes,
Ms.
sir. Good
Fuentes?
morning.
Ms. Fuentes?
Yes, sir.
Where are you, Ms. Fuentes?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
In the red blouse or dress?
Yes, sir. Apologies about that. My mic was turned off.
Not to worry. I appreciate you both being on time. Mr. Barrera, what do you wish to do in this case?
Judge, I'd like to confer, please.
All right, it'll be number 3 on this particular case. Thank you. Case 649-350. State versus Juan Heriberto Galindo. And Itzel Martinez is attorney of record. Juan Heriberto Galindo, are you present? Are you he?
Judge,
Yes.
I didn't order him. If you can read that, it says
Oh,
defendant at
I'm sorry.
jail.
Okay, how about Itzel Martinez, attorney?
I don't think she's logged on yet.
Marking her not answering at this time. Alrighty, the next 2 cases have been.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Did you call my name Jesus Gonzalez?
I don't think so.
Because my mic was off too. I was barely getting the hang of this right now.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Hello.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Hi. I wanna if you had called my name yet, my name is Serena Villarreal. I was having problems with my internet connection.
Okay, just hang in there. We'll anyone that we've missed we'll recall, but I don't believe I'll call your name.
You what?
Just
What
wait,
medicine?
okay?
Huh?
Ms. Villarreal, just wait.
in her closet. Yes, sir.
Hello,
Yes, hello?
this is the judge. Just wait. I appreciate y'all being patient. We'll call the names again. If we have missed anybody, we'll take care of it.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Case number 650-661, State versus Richard Crone. And it's William Brooks is attorney of record. Richard Crone.
Morning, Judge. I don't know that I had Mr. Crone this morning. I do have an Ethan Byers.
Well, you have Mr. Crone on our docket. How are you, Mr. Brooks?
Doing all right, Judge. I have not heard from Mr. Throne, but I will try and make contact with him, Judge, and I can circle back around.
All right. So be it. Case number 651-268. State versus Ginger Anderson Elliott. And Nora Martinez is attorney of record. Nora Martinez, no answer on Ms. Martinez, nor is there an answer from her client, Ginger Anderson Elliott. So noted. Case number 651-391, State of Texas versus Taylor David Stanstein.
Stantine, Your Honor.
This is Stantine?
Stantine, Your Honor.
Okay. And your attorney is Christopher Castro. Mr. Castro. No answer from Mr. Castro at this time. Mr. Stantine, just wait around. We'll see what happens.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Case number 655.
Sorry, Your Honor, I'm here on that one.
Hello. I need y'all to be silent so I can call the docket. Case number 655-268. State versus Jesus Gonzalez. No attorney at this time. Jesus Gonzalez.
Right here, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Gonzalez.
Good morning, sir. How are you doing?
I am well, thank you. Are you hiring an attorney or what are you doing?
Actually got one, but I don't even, I lost my paperwork. It's a lady, actually one of my buddies is the one that got it for me. I just gotta call him and, make sure what the name was and stuff. He had told me, but I forgot it and I lost my paperwork.
Okay,
But
so you're telling me that you got an attorney appointed or you hiring one or what?
I'm hiring one, sir.
All right. Then when I call the docket, I'll come back to you and we'll see what we're gonna do. We'll probably just give you a couple of weeks to come back and have your attorney present, okay?
All right, sir, that sounds like a good deal.
All right, hang in there. Case
All right,
number
sir.
655507, State versus Marlon Mendez Ponce. Attorney Alma Benavides.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm present for Mr. Ponce. He should be logged on, and I'd like to have a chance to confer with the state.
Alrighty, that'll make you, I think, number 4.
Thank you, Judge.
Do you need to confer with the state?
I do.
Mr. Mendez Ponce?
No, Mr. Langford, we were talking to Mr. Hernandez.
I'm sorry, Judge. Did you say Melendez?
No, sir. I said Mendez Ponce. Mr. Mendez Ponce, are you there? Are you present? All right, I'm showing him not present at this time, Ms. Benavides. All right. Case number 656854. This is the state of Texas versus Jonathan Alexis Briones. And it's Ricardo Ramos Jr.'s attorney of record.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. He's present with counsel.
Mr. Briones, would you speak up, please?
Yes, I'm here.
All right, thank you very much. Mr. Ramos, what do you wish to do this morning?
Judge, if we can just get this placed on a trial docket and get a reset, that'd be great.
You will receive notice of it accordingly from Ms. Garcia. Thank you. And you all are both excused.
Okay.
Your Honor, if I could interrupt you just for a moment. Mr. Marlon Mendez Ponce is present.
All right.
He's a Spanish speaker, but he is logged on.
Buenos días, señor Méndez Ponce. ¿Está presente?
Presente, buenos días.
Buenos días. Ok. Si tiene una poca paciencia, se espera, su abogada va a comunicarse con los fiscales.
Perfecto, perfecto.
Bueno.
Gracias.
Gracias. Thank you, Ms. Benavides.
Thank you, Judge.
Case number 656965, Jesus, State versus Jesus Rosa.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Judge.
Montoya.
Yes, Your Honor, we're here
Well,
with
good
Mr.
morning,
Rosa.
Montoya.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
I am well, thank you. I missed you on an earlier call on another client.
Yes, Judge. I was on another Zoom. Your Honor, on Mr. Rosa, there's another DWI case that has been filed against him. So I need to get that case reset. That's going to be he took a blood sample, so there's going to be some time before we get the results back. So if I can get a reset, I would appreciate it.
On this particular one, there's a test pending. Is that correct?
Yes, Judge. But basically that, and then picked up another case.
Okay, we're going to reset you for 90 days.
Thank you, Judge. And on the other, Your Honor, can I get a reset on Mr. Reveles, Joe Reveles?
If you'll stick around, I'll finish the docket and come back to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May Mr. Rosa be excused.
He may.
Thank you, Judge.
Case number 656967, State versus Ethan Byers.
Morning, Judge. Mr. Byers is here, Judge.
I'm present.
It's a blood draw case, Your Honor, and we do not have blood results back. It's a first setting, Your Honor.
Much time do you want?
Whatever you think is appropriate, Judge. It's been about 30 days since the arrest.
So you're waiting for what, the test or what?
For the test results, correct, Judge.
All right, we'll give you 90 days also.
Thank you, Judge. May Mr. Byers be excused?
Yes, he may.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Case 656986, State versus Juan Aceves Melendez.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, Judge.
Is Mr. Aceves Melendez present?
Yes, sir. He's here with me.
Is that he over your right shoulder?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Melendez, rather, Aceves Melendez. All
Buenos
right,
días.
what are you gonna do, Flavio?
Judge, he just picked up an unauthorized use of a vehicle, but he does have evidence that he was trying to buy it legally. We need,
Right now, we got an unlawfully carrying in this court, so what you got?
I would like to reset to see what happens with the unauthorized use. It may get, your case may get TIC depending on how it turns out over there.
All right, and you want what, 30 days, 60 days? What do you want?
60 days, Judge.
All right, 60-day reset.
Thank you, Judge.
You're both excused on this case.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Case 657002, State of Texas versus Krista Salt.
Good morning, Your Honor. Courtney Daly am here, as well as Krista Salt is present as well.
Where's Ms. Salt?
She's raising her hand. Krista, you're muted if you want to unmute and announce.
All right.
I'm right here.
There she is.
Where are you? Speak up.
I'm here. Krista Salt here.
Okay, there you are.
Yeah.
All right. You need to speak up a little more so that the camera would open up on you. Thank you, ma'am. All right,
Okay.
Ms. Daly, what do you wish to do?
Your Honor, I recently requested some additional evidence from Mr. Edelman, and he got me some of it, and we're just waiting on one document. So if we could just get a reset to get that so I can review it before I confer with the state.
All right, then we'll give you a 30-day reset for discovery.
Thank you, Your Honor. And may
Thank you,
myself
ma'am.
and Ms. Salt be excused.
Yes, you may.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir.
Case 657004, State of Texas versus Joseph Guajardo.
Yes, Judge, it's Suzanne. I'm on that case. I had him scheduled last Thursday or Friday, I can't remember, for jail court, but he bonded out the day before. I called the bonds people and they gave me the number that they have, but I have not heard back from him, but it's only been since, last Thursday or Friday. So at this point, I haven't made contact. We had a JSAT offer, but then he bonded out, so.
All right, so what do you want to do?
Well, I wouldn't mind a little bit more time since he only just bonded out to get a hold of him, let his bondsman know that the phone number they gave me isn't any good, and see if I can get something better.
All right, 30 days, 60 days.
That, I will take whatever you want to give me, Judge.
All right, well, let's make it 45. We'll cut the
Okay, there you go.
reset, 45 days. All right.
Okay, thank you
Good
so
to
much,
see you,
Judge.
Suzanne. Take care.
You too, Judge. Bye-bye.
Case number 657005, State versus James Benton. No attorney listed.
Good morning, Judge. Mr. Benton is present. I'm present for Miss Corley.
You're okay. Ms. Corby has been appointed. Is that what you're telling me?
No, Judge, she was hired just on March 31st, both on the UCW case and the possession as well.
Where is Mr. Benton?
I'm right here, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Benton.
Good morning.
All right. And counsel, what is your name?
Kim Beza, B-E-Z-A.
Say again. Kim what?
Beza, B-E-Z-A.
Be like,
As in boy.
well, I thought that, but it doesn't apply, so. B-E-Z-A, Beza.
Yes, sir.
Or some people would say Betha with a T-H
Yes.
instead of, however, all right. And what do y'all wish to do this morning?
Judge, again, we just, Linda just got retained on March 31st. So if we can have maybe about 45 days reset to make sure we get the discovery on both cases. And that way we're able to talk to Mr. Benton about some possible defenses.
All righty. Then so be it, 45-day reset.
Thank you, Judge. May we both be excused?
Yes, you may.
Thank you, Judge. Have
Case
a good one.
number. Thank you, take care.
Take care, Judge.
Case number 657024, State versus Martin Rodriguez. Neil Kalfas.
Joy Barrientos, Judge.
Pardon me?
Joy Barrientos for Martin Rodriguez.
Are you with Mr.
Yes,
Kalfas' firm?
I am, Judge.
Okay, and where is Mr. Rodriguez?
He's here in our lobby.
And what is your name? What,
It's Joy Barrientos.
Joy?
Yes, Judge.
Joy?
Yes, Judge.
I take it your parents were overjoyed.
Yes, Judge, I would assume. Yes, probably.
Barrientes, not Barrientos.
Correct, Judge.
And from the Kalfas firm. All right. And your wishes for today?
Mr. Rodriguez currently has a pending felony, the 144th. It hasn't been indicted yet. It is set for this week, but it's more than likely not going to go. And he is here with me, Judge.
And can you, okay, well, I'm going to take your word as an officer of the court, unless I learn different. So he is present and available.
Yes, Judge, he's right here in front of me.
All right, this will be reset, felony pending. Ms. Garcia will be in touch.
Right, thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Both of you are excused, yes. Case number 657036, State versus Julia Solis. Jason, is it Goss or Koss? Attorney Jason Goss or Koss? Which is it, Patty? Do you know?
Goss, Goss. And I am
Okay.
aware that I am not Patty.
Very good, Mr. Edelman. I'm happy to hear that. But Mr. Goss is not answering. I'm not happy at that. Nor is Mr. Solis. Pardon me, Ms. Solis.
I'm present, Your Honor.
Julia Solis,
Yes.
have you heard from your attorney?
Yes. Yesterday.
All right. Did he say anything about being late or unavailable or anything?
No.
All right. Well, just hang in there for a while. We'll see what happens. I will note him not answering. 657040. This is inmate. He was not ordered. Is Mark McKay here?
I am, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning, Mark. How are you?
I'm wonderful.
I'm glad to hear that. That makes at least two of us. Mr. McKay, what do you wish to do on this case? Your client is in jail. He was not called up because of obvious reasons.
Is this on Marcus Watkins?
No, sir. This is on Michael Garcia. Mark McKay on case
Yeah, I'm
number
here, Judge.
Case
I'm
number
sorry.
657040.
If he's in custody, I believe he's got a felony pending, Your Honor.
He has two felonies that I see on the record here.
Yes, he's also on parole, Your Honor. So I'm working on the felony cases right now. I expect these will probably be taken into consideration if I work something out on the felony. So I would ask the court respectfully to grant like a 90-day reset, and then I'll try and work out the felonies. And like I said, I'm hoping they will be dismissed as a part of the plea.
All right. You say he's on parole too?
He is, Judge.
Okay. I
So
think
he's
I
not
hear-
he's
I
not
hear
getting
some-
out.
I hear somebody saying bye-bye to Mr. Garcia. Mr. McKay, you're excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Case number 657056, Jordan Jaramillo, and it is Alberto Rodriguez.
Yes, sir. And I
Good
see,
morning, Alberto. How are you?
good. I see you say the best for last, but
It seems like it.
Mr. Jaramillo is homeless. His phone number is not accepting calls. I spoke with the pretrial services officer. He cannot get a hold of Mr. Jaramillo either. He's having problems with contacting him and have him report. So I have nothing else.
All right. Now note that you were present and timely so. I will consider issuing a warrant, although I'm not in a hurry to do that. It's a criminal trespass. Let me see what I do with that, Alberto.
Thank you, sir.
Good to see you, family, all right?
All right, sir. Thank you.
All right, that's the docket for this morning. Number one, anybody here that needed to have their name recalled? Or didn't
Yes,
hear
Your
their
Honor.
name called? All right, Isidro, what you got?
Mr. Revillas, Your Honor, Revillas, Revillas,
That's Revillas, isn't it?
yes, sir, it's Revillas, 609846. He's, I
Mr.
haven't been
Revillas.
able to, yeah, he's not on the thing, Judge. He, haven't been able to contact him. He's for Haven for Hope. His number I have on here is a wrong number. So I haven't not been in touch with him.
All right, Mr. Revillas, are you present? I thought I heard your answer. Joe Revillas. Okay. Mr. Montoya, I've noted that you were late or did not answer when I called the first time. I hope that you don't make that a habit with me.
I will not, Your Honor.
Very good. All right, then you're excused on this case, Mr. Montoya.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, we'll see what happens with Mr. Revillas.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. You're excused.
Your Honor.
Yes.
This is Jason Goss. I'm here for Julia Solis. I'm coming in from a different court.
Okay.
It's on page 4. Page 4, Judge. 657036.
657036. Ms. Solis answered. Mr. Is it Goss or Koss?
It's Goss, Your Honor.
With a G, okay.
And Ms. Solis is here.
Mr. Edelman told me it was a G. All right, Mr. Goss, what are your wishes in reference to this case?
Your Honor, I need to confer with the prosecution.
I think that'll make you number 5 for conferring today. Yes, we'll get to you just as quickly as possible.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Anybody else that did not hear the name called and wants to answer?
Me, sir. Serena.
I'm sorry, what is your name, ma'am?
Serena Villarreal.
Ms. Villarreal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll find you in a second. We'll see where we're at.
And Taylor Stantine.
Hold on, Mr. Stantine. I gotta find one at a time.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
I don't see Villarreal, Patty. Do you have her on the docket
No.
for today?
No, sir.
Ms. Villarreal?
Yes, sir.
Just hang in there. Are you in County Court 5?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
They told me today on the 12th, and they told me tomorrow on Tuesday. And I wasn't too sure which one they were sure about because my bonds told me today. And
okay. If you'll just wait a little bit,
Yes, sir.
Ms. Garcia, you might get appropriate information and find out when or how her case is coming up, okay? Ms.
Yes, Your
Patty
Honor.
Garcia, Ms. Villarreal, Ms. Patty Garcia will talk to you in a little bit, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Who else? Anybody else?
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Natasha Torres. My client is Mr. Xavier Curtis on page 2.
Number 1 on page 2. All right. I've marked you as not answering. What can I do for you, Ms. Torres? Where have you been?
Yes. Good morning, Your Honor. I'm present at the federal courthouse here in Del Rio. I'm on standby, which is why I logged in late. Mr. Curtis is present via Zoom. He has a pending felony that has not been indicted yet, so we'd be asking for a 60 to 90-day reset to see what we can do about that case as well as the pending misdemeanors.
You're asking for a 90-day reset?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. You're not on camera, ma'am?
I'm present here at the courthouse.
There you are. Okay. You're there with our good federal judge?
Judge Moses in San Antonio, Del Rio.
Del Rio. Alia Moses.
Yes, sir.
All right. Very good. Then I'll note that you are in federal court. We will reset you for 90 days. You'll get notice from Ms. Garcia.
Thank you, Your Honor. May Mr. Curtis be excused and log off?
Yes, he may. Thank you, Mr. Curtis. I appreciate you being here timely.
Thank you both. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you both.
All righty. Anyone else that needs to answer?
Yes, Your Honor. This is Christopher Castro on Taylor Stantine, cause number 651391. I apologize. That was another setting in Comal County. Atascosa.
One of your favorite counties, huh? Comal? Well, is it Comal or Atascosa?
It was in Atascosa. I have Comal in the afternoon.
Okay. So,
I'm Mr. Stantine. I'm right here. I'm present. Just to
right,
let you guys
you
know.
answered timely. I appreciate that. Mr. Castro, what are your wishes in reference to this case?
This one has a pending felony, Your Honor. At this time, I'm requesting a reset.
Where is how far along is the felony? Do you know?
I am not too sure. I'm not the attorney appointed to that one. I believe it's only about 2 or 3 months old.
Judge, it shows a waiting indictment, and it was last set in the 399th, March 9th.
I haven't heard any other further court dates. I was going to ask if I could get my next court date on that felony as well, because the attorney handling that case has not reached out to me or anything. So
who is the attorney? Do you know?
I have no idea. It's David something. I can't remember, to be honest with you, Judge. I'm so sorry.
All right, no problem.
Honor, I apologize for interrupting.
Yes, sir.
But the listed defense counsel for the pending felony is David M. Collins.
David Collins. All right. You might make a note of that, Mr. Stantine.
Yes, sir.
And we will reset this matter for approximately 90 days.
Okay.
Felony pending. All right. Anyone else that needs to answer that did not answer when I first called the cases? I've called all of them that are set for today.
I'm sorry to interrupt, Judge. Am I free to go?
Yes, you are.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Take care.
Excuse me,
Anybody
Judge.
else? Hello.
Yes, this is Quaylen Jones. I have received a message that said that me and my attorney used, but I'm not sure if that's true or not.
What's your name again?
Quaylen Jones.
Jones. I believe I did call your name.
Yeah, she did call my name. I just had it said I was excused. It's kind of
There it is. Case number 649-227. There was no answer from Elizabeth Russell, who's your attorney.
Yes, sir.
Have you been in touch with Miss Russell?
I have not talked to her recently. I have talked to her before about the case. She is aware of the court date today. So,
all right. If you'll hang with us for a while, we'll see what's going on. Okay. I have noted that you appeared on time and you answered. So thank you for that. We'll wait a little while and see what happens with Miss Russell.
Okay, thank you.
Anybody else?
Good morning, Your Honor. Nora Martinez. I'm here on behalf of Ginger Anderson. I believe she's on your second page.
She's 651268.
Yes, that's correct.
Ginger
And if
Anderson Elliott.
Yes, Your Honor. And if I can confer with the state on this matter.
You'll be number 6 to confer. I've noted that you were late.
Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
Her client did not appear.
Okay, that is correct.
Let me go ahead and reach out, Judge, to see if I can get them to log on.
All right. Meantime, you'll be number 6 for conferring.
Sounds great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Anyone else?
Judge, if I could give you an announcement on Mr. Troon. This is Will Brooks. It was page 2, 650661.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Judge, I dropped the ball on Mr. Troon. I did not notice he was on the docket this morning, and I failed to calendar the court date for him. I did reach out to pretrial services this morning, and I got a slew of phone numbers for him. And I also have an email address, Judge, but I would just be asking if the court could give us a short recall for me to make contact with Mr. Troon.
All right, we'll recall it in 1 week.
That works, Judge. Thank you very much.
You're
I
welcome.
apologize to the court too.
I beg your pardon?
I apologize to the court, Judge, for.
No problem. You know, things like that happen. I did my private practice for 41 years, and I can guarantee you that there's nothing you're going to do that I have not already.
I appreciate that, Judge.
Be called 1 week.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Take care, Mr. Brooks.
You too, Judge.
Anyone else? All right, then the court will be in recess. Number one to confer is Renee Munoz on the Jennifer Garcia matter.
Yes, Judge.
Do we have Caitlin available?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Morgan, you will, I'm assigning Matthew Brown to confer with you regarding Jordan Johnson. Did she answer, Patty? I think she did, right?
She did, Your Honor.
Yes,
She's
sir, I'm
present.
present.
All right, so we have Mr. Brown and Mr. Munoz. You will join the district attorneys and confer, report when you completed that. All
Yes.
right, so we're in recess. The rest of you hang in there. We've got some that are waiting to hear from attorneys, et cetera. We'll find out what's going on. Meantime, we're in recess.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
I was gonna ask you, I'm the one with that just got an attorney. You want me to hang around too as well?
Yeah, what is your name again?
Jesus Gonzalez. I was gonna see if I can just get like a 30-day reset, and then by then I should have my attorney's name and everything ready
It's on
for you.
page 3, Judge.
Right at the top. All right, Mr. Gonzalez. You said you already hired one, right? What I
Yes, but
understood.
I lost my paperwork, so I don't have a name, but I mean, if I can get at least a 30-day reset, and I'll be able to have all that information for you, and we can get this thing started.
Mr. Gonzalez, I'm gonna recall this in 2 weeks.
Okay.
You're telling me you've already hired him. So I expect that you can answer the docket in 2 weeks with your attorney. Then
All right, sir, I appreciate that.
y'all can go from there. Meantime, you're excused at this time, sir.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. Have a good one.
You too.
All right,
Stay
sir.
safe. Stay
You too,
safe.
sir.
All right. Anyone else? Any announcements? Okey-doke. Court's in recess. Who do we have as
Your
a
Honor.
court? Who do we have as a court reporter today, this morning?
Herminia Torres.
Adminia. All right.
Your Honor,
Yes, ma'am.
may I stop the YouTube?
Yes, ma'am, you may.